Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day. It's a beautiful day in June, and unfortunately we're still in quarantine here in Atlanta, Georgia, and I have been quite bored. So I took it upon myself to purchase a brand new project. Well, new to me. So here it is, a 2002 Honda Recon electric shift. It's a 250cc motor. And as you can see from the looks of it, it does need a few things here and there. Good news is, it does seem to run well. The previous owner actually rebuilt the carburetor before he sold it to me. And he actually delivered it for me as I didn't have a truck at the time. And the price was $1,000. I thought this was a good deal. Some of you may think, why would you buy a 250 two-wheel drive CC? That's not going to haul around all the donuts you've been eating. But for my trails, works well. I don't go in a lot of mud, although I do have plenty of mud. My trails don't have big hills, things like that. Not much need for four-wheel drive. We do have other ATVs to pull us out if we do get stuck. And for me, I think this is going to be a fun project and a good workhorse to help out with chores around the house. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and get it cleaned up. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so she's all cleaned up, and as you can see here, she definitely needs a new seat, gas tank cover, and some touch up on the push bars here. We do have a small dent at the bottom of one of the push bars. We do have some water damage in one of the headlights as well. You may have noticed the pressure washer blasting some of the paint off the wheels, and you may have also noticed some plugs in that back tire. All pretty easy fixes. I do want to order some aftermarket parts to help with work around the house to add to this four-wheeler. Now coming up guys, I do have some trail videos. They are kind of shaky cam. I do apologize. I'll work on getting a GoPro here in the near future. If you're interested in watching those, stay tuned. If not, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thank you. you.